Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy wealth building techniques with Acorns step by step clearly. To begin deploying wealth building techniques with Acorns, start by downloading the Acorns app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create your account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and phone number. Next, link a bank account to your Acorns account to enable funding for your investments. Acorns offers multiple ways to fund your account, including one-time deposits and recurring contributions. Set up the Round UPS feature, which automatically invests the spare change from your everyday purchases. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.75, the app rounds up to $4 and invests the extra 25 cents. Once your Round UPS are set, familiarize yourself with the investment options offered by Acorns. You can choose from a range of portfolios based on your risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive. Review the details of each portfolio, including its historical performance and asset allocation. After selecting a portfolio, set up automatic contributions to make investing seamless. Select a frequency for your automated deposits, such as weekly or monthly. Consider utilizing Acorns' retirement savings feature if applicable, by setting up an IRA account through the app. Monitor your investments periodically to track your progress and make any necessary adjustments. You can access insights and educational resources in the app to learn more about investing strategies. As your wealth grows, think about setting specific financial goals to stay motivated. Adjust your contributions based on your income and financial situation over time to enhance your wealth building strategy. Lastly, stay disciplined and patient, as wealth building is a long-term endeavor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.